During the war, the four great railway companies of Britain, like many similar undertakings and branches of the government, looked for countryside locations where they would be less likely to be targeted for bombing. The London, Midland and Scottish railway companies relocated to the Grove, a country house near Watford, and a former seat of the Earls of Clarendon. Inside the air raid shelter, there are some less common features. The precast concrete barrel vaulted panels, roughly mortared together, the neat white painted bay numbers on the square black background, the remains of a timber benching, but the most remarkable feature is the entrance formed of descending precast concrete rings that resemble a 1930s radio, which has echoes of architecture of that age. I know they're around here somewhere, because they're by the golf. Well, I've just given away the location, haven't I? Yeah. What golf course? Golf course. A golf course.
Gopher course. What the frick is that?
Oh, I'm thinking that's that.
No. Benches and stuff.
Wait, hang on, no, it might be past that by the looks of it. Could just walk on this. Okay, guys, welcome to the Grove World War II deep tunnels. These would have been used for, I don't know, protecting the public in case of German bombing air raids. Been wanting to come here for a while because my mate used to work at the actual Grove Golf Club. And as you can see, there are remnants of benches where people used to sit and wait for the bombs to drop. Mate, it's like old. That's all I'm gonna say. It's not backfilled, we can walk wherever we want, mate. But we're gonna get lost. As I'm telling you, this place is huge, guys. This place is absolutely massive. Still filming on the GoPro. I think I'm filming on the GoPro. There was this YouTuber that done it on his own, yeah?
Alright.
And he walked the whole mile of the tunnel. I think it's more than a mile, but at least it's not uphill.
Oh shit.
He done all of this by himself without getting lost.
Awesome.
But there are arrows to follow, and I don't know how to follow the arrows because there is a particular way you follow them. Did you bang your head? You're right. You can either go that way or that way. Huh?
I think I've seen a video of these. Try it.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, let's go that way.
Or do you want to split up and see if we find each other? Should we have a game?
No.
Come on. You go that way, and I go this way. You know you want to.
Okay.
I'll see you in a bit. I think I'm filming on the GoPro still. I am not entirely sure. I'm just going to adjust that real quick. So we're at these tunnels. I don't know a lot of history about these, but we've decided to split up just for a bit of fun. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why have I split up? There's benches on the floor. Looks like someone's had a bit of fun and burning them though, which is a bit disrespectful. I can't actually, now I'm at H4. Yeah, these go on. Aaron? Oh. Just heard a whistle and I don't know where that came from. Alright, so I don't know how long that took, but I got the all-important shot for the thumbnail. Where am I? I think that was H1. So what me and Aaron have decided to do is go off on our own and see how long it takes before we actually start to... Aaron?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Did you go all the way to the end?
I heard a couple of noises down there.
I heard a whistle over here. Did you whistle?
No.
When I was going down here, I heard a...
I was in Knox.
You in Knox?
Yep.
I have no idea if this is haunted.
Pretty damn cool, though.
Huh?
Pretty cool, though.
Yeah, it's cool. There's loads more stuff like that. Did you see all the benches and stuff?
They've got the kettle around there.
Kettle?
Yeah. There's buckets.
Right, so there's a hole there. We need to be careful with that. Do you want to make your way this way? I haven't really been down this way properly. I got halfway and I heard a whistle and I literally just froze. It went... You heard knocks and bangs down your end?
Yep. Knocks and bangs. I want to turn around and walk back.
Oh, was that what? I could hear your voice getting... I was like, who the fuck is that?
Quiet. Shit.
It is really dodgy down here though. You like, I keep doing this round the corner. Look, every time I get close, I'm like, hello. Right, ouch. So sorry.
Yeah, it's like that. That's what it's like around there as well.
Oh, one of them?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh yes, very nice.
Security, do they answer?
Yeah, these were benches. They've been burnt as well by the looks of it. That's probably why there was no the security tape everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't know much history. What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Something got thrown at me. Oh man!
What the hell? Oh my days.
Where is it?
Oh, look at that! Jesus!
Fucking hell.
That's a beauty.
Yeah, look, just be careful, because look.
Arachnid warning. There's a that spider.
Look, there's eggs here we've got to be careful of.
Oh, sugar. Oh my god. That's nearly as big as the one at the...
A certain someone would definitely not come down here, would they?
That looks like the size of the one we saw at Angelo's. Oh my god, that is a egg sack.
Should we go down this way?
Oh, sugar, there's more of them. There's another one there.
Yeah, they're everywhere, Orange, so just be careful. I don't know if all of this is original,
Could be.
but it's in pretty good
Do
condition.
you like an arrow chair?
Oh yeah, look, that one's bricked up. Someone's been trying to...
There's another one that's gated up as well. Oh!
Over there.
There's one that way you can gate it up.
But yeah, I heard a whistle down there, so I don't know if there's rough sleepers down here or...
Yeah. Is it drafty even for the spiders?
Well, you got a roof overhead at the end of the day, ain't you?
True.
A concrete roof.
And at 1.2.
But no, I heard a whistle down there. I thought that was you. Just retrace.
Box original.
Oh yeah, original fire bucket as well.
Wow, bucket as well, fire bucket.
Oh look, original McDonald's cup.
What the freaking hell?
Bird's nest.
Oh my days.
I like a good bird's
And
nest.
spiders beyond galore. I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're scared of spiders, but they are freaking huge and there's loads of them all over the all over the place as well. Another bricked up entrance.
Yeah, if we find another one not bricked up, then we'll just leave out of that one if you want.
We'll do the whole thing. I'm going to do the whole thing.
Huh?
I've got 12 minutes of video, so
Nice.
yes, very nice. Very nice.
Hey look.
Behind you.
Oh, it's Aaron.
Yeah, what's behind us? Why is there some tip got to do that?
I don't know, just put people on edge when they come. Loads of people come down here on their own.
This is actually really cool.
I thought you'd like it.
Yeah. Was it like an air raid show?
Well, I think it's an air raid trail, but it's definitely...
Yeah, it is an air raid show, definitely.
It goes on and on and on and on and on.
It's just freaking huge.
I think we're underneath the golf course, actually.
What?
Huh?
You coming fasting?
What?
What?
You coming fast. Oh, have you not seen the guy that on his bike, he rides into a guy fixing up the car?
Oh.
Like, where you coming first? You not seen me? Yeah, go down that way, I'll come round.
Will it link up, doesn't it?
Huh?
Will it link up?
Oh no, it don't. Oh, it goes back around that way, so I won't be doing that. I'll be going around the wrong way. Like, oh, where are you?
What I'm looking for at the moment,
What?
I haven't seen that, is original graffiti.
I suppose if I go home and I'm like, oh, I haven't done the other half. Can I go back now? Well, I wouldn't mind coming back in. Now I know exactly where it's located. I would not actually...
spiders on.
I'm going to map out every spider where they're located. If they've moved, I ain't coming back. Right, dead end. I can't exactly see where I'm going.
3.
Oh, we're back at the start.
Aha.
That's
Yeah, you start the HT.
That is a nice brick. I like
I
it.
start the C4.
C4? It's going to explode. Is that the wind?
That is what I heard.
Rustling.
Sound like footsteps to me.
Hello? Is anyone down here?
Sorry.
Stop moving, I don't have to hear anything. It's not your bag, is it? No. Why do I get the sense we're not alone in these tunnels? I'm not here to do ghost hunting, that was October.
You're going to go somewhere, just explore an air raid, sure.
Well, they've backfilled that a bit. Oh no, you can still get down that bit.
I walked that way. I mean, you go that.
What was that? Did you hear a scream? What did you hear?
Right, something. What the hell was that?
That's me moving down.
Oh, I walked that way.
You walk that way?
Yeah.
Is that a washing machine?
I think so. Oh no, my light. Ah,
Is your light died?
the white fell out.
Oh.
For Pete's sake. Get back in the freaking hole. This is going to that price. Oh shit.
That's it. Break what's already broken.
Yeah.
Hello?
What's that?
What? I didn't hear that.
I bloody did.
Run towards me. Please don't. There's no spiders down there. Oh, wait, tell her. Yes, there is. What's the original lighting? Nice. I reckon they were trying to restore this because it looks like there's some new wooden bits on here.
I found the hole.
Look.
Oh wow.
Looks like they're trying to put it back to how it was, maybe?
Hopefully.
It'll be a lot of work. Because you've got to repair the broken concrete bits and sort out the wire. Look. That's just...
I've got 27 minutes to put it all.
Oh, I don't know how much I've got. Well, I'm going to have fun tomorrow, I'm telling you that now.
Yeah.
I can hear distant talking. Hopefully there's no one else down here. Oh, is that the bucket you saw?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
That's why I started to creak noises. Now there's the gate a bit.
Yeah, they're like so old now, look.
Yeah. It's very cool to see them.
Huh?
It's what I like seeing that stuff.
Oh, who broke the toilets?
Oh man. That would be... What the fuck was that? What the hell was that?
I heard walking, man.
I didn't know.
It's not water dripping, that's it.
I don't know.
We'll find out in a minute.
Go down a creepy air raid shelter.
In a creepy golf course. Ow! I'm trying not to break any more wood, but it's just falling apart anyway. That's an old World War II paint pot, is it?
Cool.
Hopefully.
Jade dog.
Huh?
It's more silent than this end. Oh, that's never a good sign.
We are in the Twilight Zone.
Oh Christ.
That's not bad. This is probably the better like side 1, side 2 thing I've seen.
But I mean, I don't mind the arrows, which is fair enough. But anything else besides that is low. But this might be original. I don't know. That looks pretty cool. I like that.
I know it's all the same every corner, but
It's cool.
it's history.
That is a draft and a half.
Yeah, just a bit.
There's always been that way as well. This place is massive.
I don't know if there's asbestos down here or not. I'm not.
Over by miles.
This is bigger than the Dover
Death
ones.
is here. where the drops come from. And I've got very dangerous.
I think Callum would like this. I don't think there's going to be any original graffiti anymore.
Yeah, it's a shame. At least it's not that idiot graffiti.
Look, that's just...
Yeah.
I was going to put my business card on that, but look, it's just crumbling, man. This, I reckon in 20 years, this will be gone.
Probably, yeah.
Well, look, that's just like...
Oh, more freaking of them bloody things. Look. I wouldn't. Oh my.
I found the "you come in fast" bit, so we're on the right track. I actually can't see him. Oh fuck! Oh Jesus! Yeah, seriously, guys, if you don't like spiders, please do not. This is where I'm lost from here. Oh no, this way. 2001.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
On the other side. This is 9mm 2001. I haven't.
Show you guys into the videos.
Why has that been written?
Wow, what the hell?
Ow, just banged my head.
Why is that?
I don't know why that's. Maybe there was a sign on here and they moved it on there to protect something, to preserve the sign, but yet they've ripped it off and. I don't know.
Possibly. I believe this is where the bogs were anyway. I think
seating or bogs. Because that's, you know, the tunnel we've done in Gravesend? It's exactly the same. Because they would have the bogs in the corner. Did you hear that whistle? I heard it. I don't know if it's haunted or not, but I'm not getting that vibe down. I'm getting the vibe like... I'm getting the vibe like I'm being watched, but not... What the fuck was that? I didn't touch anything. Oh, I didn't touch that.
Rude.
I'm just hoping there's no like homeless down here. Yeah, we're underneath the we're underneath the golf course. But this one's a whole lot cleaner. Oh look, can you see this? This is. Is this like clean?
Oh wow, that's what do you call it?
What are you talking about?
I'm trying to think what that is. It's crystallised.
Light fixture?
No, that's mineral coming out of the wall.
Oh, sorry, water. Sorry, yes. You can see it. Look. Look, I'm not going to pull that up, but you can see how. No, there you go.
Yeah.
Didn't even need to do it. It looks like they've tried to preserve it because this looks fairly clean.
It does, doesn't it? No spiders down this thing, anyway.
It looks like they've jet washed some of it as well.
Yeah, possibly.
This, it'll probably cost a lot of money to preserve this.
I've seen a video of this place before.
Oh, I think there's loads of them on here, mate. But I've heard a couple of people that have tried to get down here and they've been told off by the golf course owner. Maybe they've trying to rewrite, because that's fading, maybe they're trying to, I don't know.
It just keeps going, no?
Oh, it'll go on and on and on until we reach the end. I think these go on for at least a couple miles. Maybe a bit longer. Maybe just think of Montefiore, but 10 times worse. But at least it's not going up a steep hill.
It's still going, huh?
It's not going up a steep hill.
No, it's not.
And I don't. Is my GoPro still going?
Okay, so there's one. Yep, there's one of them strange bits of wood.
Huh?
We're at A3. There's no one of them bits of wood there. Just trying to work out what the hell that is.
Maybe they were going to put new signs on. Maybe they were starting to restore it and put new signs on the top.
Could be, yeah.
Oh. It's a shame because it's nice. They could have done like overnight stays here. Could you imagine how many people? Imagine how many legal raves. Why on earth is there a brick there? Someone super glued a brick onto them. Actually, you're right.
All over there.
Yeah, look, there's another bit of that wood there. They would have stuck on there.
This is going on forever. This is massive cable time. Jesus Christ.
No signal. Look, no service.
We're on the ground. A3, A1 and A2.
Really? And we're in the ground? Oh my god, we're underground, no service, please help me, I'm hungry.
37 minutes of video.
36?
36 minutes.
If we can leave out of this one, which we can't, I might have a little look, see if we can get out this way.
No, we can get out this way.
Oh no, there's a... Do you want to see if we can sneak through this bit? Wow! Mike Wazowski! Some bits look nicely cleaned up, and some bits have just...
Oh no, there we go, the dreaded spider back.
Wait, Al, stay there, come...
Just wait, look at this little beauty. Who's little muffler?
Okay, when this camera decides to focus, here we go. Oh, we're coming. Hey! Right, guys, so we are at one... Oh, we are at one of the exits. This boy needs a pee, and I'm not going to pee in here because...
And we need a drink.
I'm extremely hungry and thirsty.
And we're thirsty.
I'm more thirsty than hungry, but I'd love a sandwich right now. I've been recording on the GoPro. I've got too much food. I'm gonna actually. I'm gonna keep that on until I go out. And we've had some pretty weird stuff in here. I've heard a couple whistles. I've heard a couple voices down here. I don't know if anyone died down here, but my head is itching, which is a sign of I'm getting frustrated. I'm hungry, and yeah, we're gonna leave. Thank you ever so much for watching. And hopefully the new year is going well for you. And by the time you've seen all this, I would have done some pretty more cool places. So there's definitely videos for January, all sorted. And yeah, don't forget to check out Aaron's channel. What is your Twitter?
Exploring with us.
Could you say that a bit clearer, please?
Exploring it with us.
Thank you. Do you have an Instagram?
Is it small?
He has a TikTok as well, but we're not gonna make.
Exploring with us.
No TikToks. Disgraceful. So let's go. Are you going first?
Can do.
Okay.
There are sneaky little peeks of stuff. All over
I'll
it.
see you guys on my next video.
Especially how it takes a wheel.
Why is that so loose? Oh my god. Come on in.
We were attempting to get out of a filthy, filthy hole.
It's not the first time.